morning. Very good morning, children. Yes, how are you all? Always fine, right? Yes. Are you doing your homeworks, classwork, everything regularly? Is it? Yes? Then why you people are not sending properly? Daily you need to send, children. Daily we will not keep on telling you, asking you send the homework, send the classwork like that. You should only send. Understand? Always we cannot mention your names in the groups. So try to send it by 8 p.m. Okay? Each and everybody. Do the homework, classwork, everything in that day itself. Don't keep it pending. Right, children? And those who are doing lot of spelling mistakes also, clearly you should watch and complete correct spellings. Okay? Don't write wrong and send. Okay, children? And neat handwriting also you should try to practice. Okay? Already you have cursive writing. You are practicing only, right? Then you have to write neatly, right? So try to write neatly in cursive writing only. Okay? Yes. Then nothing we will start. Okay? Yes. Tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 30. Today date is 30. We are in the September month. Here is 2021. Today is Thursday. So we have English subject. Right, children? Yes. Let us see the thought for the day. Yes. Life has no remote control. Get up and change it by yourself. Yes. Life is like a remote control only. We can't change in here itself everything. Right? Sitting in one place only we can't complete. We can't what? We can't use life in like a remote control. So our life is in our hands only. We should only get up and we should only go forward in our lives. Okay? We don't have remote control, right? So we can't work in our place with sitting only. So we need to do work. Yes? Yes, then only our life will go smooth. Yes, children? This is the thought for the day. And today, today we will go to the textbook because workbook we completed module 3, right? Yes, have everybody completed your workbook, children? Yes, please complete it. Each and everybody should be completed. Understand, children? Yes. Then we will go to the textbook, okay? Please take out your English textbook part 1. Yes. So, we completed third lesson, right, children? Today we will go to the fourth lesson. What is the lesson name? The Fox and the Crocodile. Okay? Yes, today we will learn one story. Yes, about fox and crocodile. Okay? Yes. Before that we will see, yes, in page number 21 we have listen and say aloud. We have some words. Okay? I will say that words, you also should say along with me. Okay? Loudly. Okay? Yes. Faithful, faithful. Pretended, pretended. Grinding, grinding. Charged, charged. Harvest, harvest. Interrupted, interrupted. Interrupted. Unfair, unfair. Stringly, stringly. Yes. The next warm up we have. Have you ever tricked anyone? How did it end? Have you tricked anyone? Tricking you have done? Yes? No? Yes. Okay. It's okay. Then next we have how you ever been tricked by your friends. Your friends has tricked you. Anything trouble they have given? Is it? Yes? Okay. Now let us read an old story about a clever fox and his friend, a crocodile. Okay. Who grew food together. Let us find out what happened next. Yes, they were both friends. Who? Fox and crocodile were friends. And what they were doing? Yes, they were growing foods together. Right? Then what happened we will see. Okay. Turn page number 22. Reading the text. Yes, I will read and I will explain it also, children. Listen carefully. While I am reading, you should look at the textbook. Okay. Then I am explaining, look at me. Then only you will understand, right? And please, children, sit in the place where it should not be disturbance. You can use earphone also. That is very good for you to listen carefully. Okay? Yes. Shall we start? Yes. Once upon a time there lived a cunning fox named Sheer fox name is, yes, tell me, Sheol. Okay, Sheol. Shiyle, Sheol. Okay. The fox name is Sheol. It was cunning. Cunning means very bad character. Okay, cunning means they'll give trouble for others. Okay, that is cunning. Okay, and his faithful friend Kumir. His friend is a faithful friend, very good friend. We can trust him. That type of friend was Kumir. Okay, the crocodile. The Kumir is nothing but a crocodile name. Crocodile name is Kumir. Yes. In those days, food was hard to find and Sheol was always hungry. Yes, in that days, no, food was very less. They were not getting very easily to eat food. Okay, so always this Sheol is there, no, fox. Always it was very hungry. One day the fox went to Kumir. One day the fox went where it went? It went to the Kumir. It went to Kumir, who lived in a big lake. Where he was living, that crocodile Kumir was living in a lake, and no idea about life on land. Yes, no idea about living on the land. Yes, crocodiles live in land also as well as in water also. Yes, children, but this crocodile always in water only, that lake only. Okay, not on land. I have a great idea, Sheol said excitedly. Let's grow crops. Yes, what this fox is there, no? It is telling, I have one great idea. Like that it is telling in excitement. Okay. Then it is telling, let us grow crops. Like that the fox is telling. Good thinking, friend, but which crop should we grow? Asked Kumir. That crocodile started asking. That is good idea only, but how we will grow? Which crop we will grow? Like that it is asking. So let us grow some sugar cane. It grows well near water. So we can plant it near your lake. Is what that fox is telling. We will plant one sugar cane. Sugar cane, you know, right? Yes. Kabbu. In Kannada they say kabbu. Okay, that is sugar cane. So there, that we will grow like that. That fox told. It grows very well near the water. Near the water, it will go very fastly. Okay. So we will plant near the lake only, like that the fox told. Okay. Then alright, but what does it taste like? And it is asking, crocodile is asking, okay, but how it will taste? Like that it is asking. Who? That crocodile is asking to the fox. It's delicious, much better than rotten food you eat. Yes, it is telling rotten food that you are eating, right? That meat, that is crocodiles will eat that only, right? So instead of that, this is very tasty, like that, delicious, like that it is telling. That sounds yummy, said Kumir. Oh, when that fox is telling, it is very delicious. It is getting something excited. Oh, I will also eat yummy. It will be like that. It is thinking. Oh, crocodile is thinking. He helped Sheol plant the sugar cane and took care of the crop until it was ripe. Yes, till it becomes ripe, they are waiting. They took care of that sugar cane. Okay, and they grow very well. When it was time to harvest the crop, Sheol said, when it is a time to pluck that, harvest means plucking. All the plants they are plucking, right? That is harvest. They will cut and pluck that crops, right? That is harvest. So when the time came to pluck that, sugar cane, right? That time the Sheol said, Sheol is a fox. Fox told, wait, how should we divide the crop between ourselves? Yes. Before harvesting, let us discuss how much you will get, how much I will get. How we will divide it, like that the fox asked the crocodile. Okay. The clever fox then pretended to think for a while and said, it is thinking some idea. Pretended means it is thinking something idea. Okay. It is a clever fox, right? Yes, cunning fox also. And it is thinking, and then what it said, I have an idea. It is telling, I have an idea. Since you have worked so hard for long, you can take all parts growing under the ground. It is telling, that fox is telling, okay, you have worked very hard. Crocodile worked very hard. So it is telling you can take which is grown under the what? Under the ground. Okay, which is grown under the ground, that you can take, like that the fox told. Okay. I am happy with just the top part. part since I haven't worked as hard as you did. Yes, the fox is telling how much work you have done very hardly, but I have not done that much. So I will take upper part, you will take under the ground part you can take. Like that the fox is telling. See, very clever. Under the ground what it is? Only roots are there. What is use of taking roots, right? But upside only it is sugar cane, very sweet also. So it is planning to take that. See how clever that fox it is. Yes, children? Yes. So kind of you, Shiel. Thank you, said Kumail. Kumail, that crocodile is telling. Yes, how kind you are. Thank you, like that it is telling. But when they pulled out the sugar plants, Kumail found out that only small thin roots grew under the ground. Yes, after harvesting, after plucking all the sugar cans, then the crocodile saw, yes, what was under the ground? Only small roots. That is enough for crocodile. Yes, now he came to know. Yes, all the ripe juicy sugarcane stalks were above the ground. All the juicy that sugarcane were up on the top. Okay. The sly fox laughed, but the crocodile was sad and angry. Yes, but that fox was very happy, but the crocodile was very sad also, and it is getting angry also. Okay. I don't like sugar cane. Can we grow something different this time? Kumir asked bitterly. Yes. Yes, what he told? I don't like sugar cane. Who told? Crocodile told. I don't like sugar cane. We will grow some other different crop we will grow. This time like that Kumir crocodile asked. Okay. Sure. Agreed Shiel. Yes, sure. We will plant another crop like that fox told. Why don't we grow some potatoes this year? It is asking why we will not grow potatoes. We will grow potatoes like that, the fox told. The faithful Kumir helped the fox plant the potatoes. Again, he took care of the plants until they were tall and bushy. Yes, what the crocodile did. Okay, it helped the fox to plant the potatoes, and till it grows, it took very much care to grow clearly like that. So it is working very hard till it grows very tall and bushy. Okay. So till that it is taking care of that crocodile. Okay. When it was time to harvest the crop again Shiel asked, how should we share the crop this time, friend, like that. Okay. Yes. Now it is time. It will come for the harvesting time, right? We have to harvest the crop, means we should remove the crops and all. Then this time how we will divide, like that the crocodile is asking. Okay. He again pretended to think and said, again he is thinking, who? Fox. He is thinking and he is telling, wait, since you have worked so hard, you can. Yes, it is telling, yes, you worked very hard, you can, like that he told. Oh, this time I will take the top part, if you don't mind, interrupted Kumir. You was cheated by Shiel the last time. This time I will take top part. Who is telling? Crocodile is telling. This time I will take the top part. If you don't mind, it is telling if you don't mind, interrupted Kumir. Interrupted Kumir. What the fox is telling? It is telling like this, then interrupted. Who? Crocodile is in between, it is telling like that. Who was cheated by Shiel the last time? Last time who cheated? Who cheated last time? Like that it is asking. Okay, that's only fair, said Shiel, grinning to himself. Oh, okay, that's only fair. What to do, like that it is telling. Who? Fox is telling. They dug the potatoes together. Both they plucked the potatoes. Dug means digging the ground. Okay. And it did that. Kumir was astonished to learn all the plump. Okay. Round potatoes grew under the soil. He tasted this part of the crop, the leaves and the stalks, but they were very bitter. Yes, what happened? Yes, all the plump round potatoes grew under the soil. Yes, potatoes always grow under the soil only. Right, children? And it tasted its part of the crop. He tasted its part of the crop, that is leaves and stalks only, it will be top. Okay, fox tasted that. It is good, no, right? Yes, but they were bitter. Bitter means very not a good taste, something sour it will be like that, bitter. You know bitter blood, how it will taste like that. Okay. Yuck, he said as he spat them out. Yes, what happened? Yuck, after eating that, he spitted. Yuck, it is telling like that. It is not good, right? The taste. That's why the fox is telling like that. Enjoying the ripe potatoes all by himself, the cunning fox laughed at the poor crocodile. Yes, it is laughing at the crocodile because the crocodile is eating that leaves. What is the use? Potato if this fox is eating, right? So how? By seeing that seeing the poor crocodile, fox is laughing. See how cunning that fox is, right? Yes, Kumail was angry by now. Again he got angry. He said stringly. See, stringly means like this, the anger one. This is stringly, okay? Like this he got angry. Who? Crocodile. The time we will grow coconuts, I know they grow above the ground. Above the ground, I will see the village kids climb up the coconut trees. Yes. He said sternly, this time he is telling, crocodile is telling, this time we will grow coconuts. Okay, coconuts will grow above the ground only, not under the ground. Right? So, it is telling, I have seen many children are climbing up the coconut tree and plucking the coconuts. Like that it is telling. Oh, crocodile. So, they grew some coconuts. What it was time to harvest again. She said, my dear Kumi, I know I have been unfair to you and I regret it. Yes, what? So they grew the coconuts. They grew the coconuts and time came to harvest. To pluck, the time came. Shiel, that fox is telling, my dear Kumi, I know I have been unfair to you. Yes, I know that I have done to you mistakenly. I have done mistake for you. So that was unfair, like that it is telling, and I greet it. Okay, I will agree that, like that it is telling. This time I won't trick you. This time I will not trick. No more roots or bitter leaves for you. What it is telling, no more roots also, no more bitter leaves also for you. Like that it is telling. Okay, you decide which part of the coconut you want. The outside or the inside. I will be happy with whatever you choose. Yes, what the fox is telling, it has given the choice to crocodile only. Whatever you want, you can take. Whether outside the coconut or inside the coconut. Which you want, that you can choose. Whichever you choose, I am happy only. Like that the fox is telling. Okay. Kumir thought for a moment. He thought, he is thinking, who? Crocodile. He looked at the bright, shiny green coconuts and said, I am not stupid, Shiel. It will have a big hard seed inside. What if I break my beautiful teeth? Yes, it is telling that I know it is a shiny and green coconuts outside and all. I am not stupid, like that it is telling. Crocodile is not stupid, it is telling Shiel, it will have a big hard seed inside. Inside a big and hard seed will be inside. What if I break my beautiful teeth? If I go to eat that, my beautiful teeth will break, like that it is telling. Oh, crocodile. But when they opened the coconuts, Kumir was shocked to see what white flesh and sweet water inside. Yes, really this crocodile is stupid only. Inside the coconut, anything hard seed is there? Nothing. All the coconut, fresh coconuts and fresh coconut water is there in that, right? So very tasty also. He was overcome with fury. He overcome with fury. He charged towards Shiel with his jaws wide open. Shiel grew a pale with fear. Kumir was just about to bite off the fox tail. Then he stopped and smiled. What? Trembled Shiel. Yes, it got angry. Who? Crocodile got angry and it started to open its mouth and it started to bite the fox tail. Okay, then it stopped there. It stopped, but it didn't do. It smiled and trembled Shiel. Okay, I have a better idea than any of yours, said Kumir. Yes, it is telling I have a better idea than you, like that the Kumir is telling. That crocodile is telling. Okay, from now onwards we will share the same part of the food fairly between ourselves. Yes, the correct food we will share equally together, like that it is telling. Oh, crocodile. Okay. That way both of us will be have plenty to eat. Yes, both will have a plenty to eat. So what are the foods we are growing? We will share that to each other, like that the crocodile is telling. Shiel agreed. Yes, the fox agreed. And ever since that day, neither of them went hungry again. Yes, from that day onwards, both didn't feel hungry. They both were friends together and they shared the food together, and they were no hungry now. Okay, yes, we should be clever but not so much cunning also. And we should be, yes, sometimes we will also feel like stupid only. But always being stupid also not good. We also should think more. Okay, about that only the stories. Okay, children, and friends always we should share and we eat. We should not cunning each other. We should not what? We should not what to tell. We should not yes, children. I also forgot what to tell. Yes, we should not cheat others. Correct. Being a friend, you will cheat each other. You will cheat children. You should not cheat. You should share and eat. Okay, whatever you get, you will share and eat. That is different. That friendship is really very good. Okay, you will do like that. Okay, yes. Hope this lesson was very nice, interesting. Yes, the story was very nice. Yes, children. Fox and the crocodile. Fox is always clever only. Crocodile always it is like a foolish. Always it is selecting the foolish thing only. But we should not be always foolish. Sometimes you will be foolish, okay, but not always foolish. You should think more and more. Yes, yes. In this story, that only about that only. Okay. Yes. Hope you understand the story. Yes, children. Yes. This story was adapted from a Bengal flock tale. Yes, it is a Bengal flock tale. Okay. From that they have been adapted this story. Means they have taken from that story. Okay. Yes. Hope you understand the lesson, right, children? Now I will ask you question. You should answer me. Okay. Yes. Let us discuss. Why did Shiel want to grow crops with Kumir? Why? Tell me. Yes. Because in those days food was very hard to find, right? And Shiel was always hungry. Kumir was his faithful friend. He knew that the Kumir would agree to grow crops with him. Yes, that's right. Okay, then second question. What is second question? Which three crops did the fox and the crocodile grew? Which crops they have grown? First sugar cane, right? Then potato. Then coconut, right? These three only they grew, correct? Yes. Then next, which parts of the potato did the crocodile eat? Which part of the potatoes did crocodile eat? It eat the leaves and stalks, correct? Yes. Then next, what did Kumir want to grow? What did Kumir want to grow at the last? Coconut tree. Yes? Yes. Hope you are understanding, right, children? Yes. Then turn next page. We have understanding the text exercise 1. New words. Yes, here we have new words. This is your homework, children. Now only you will mark it as homework here. You should write down this homework and send it in the group. Okay. Yes. This is the meaning. You have to write the meaning. Word is given. Meaning you should write. Here it is cunning. First one. What is cunning? See in the last page in the glossary. Yes, you have. Yes, in glossary, see here you have meanings. You can find from this. Okay, see first is cunning, right? See, you have to search in the see. Okay, see where it is see. See here cunning. See. Wait, I will show you. A, B. I already told you in alphabetical order how to search the meanings, right? Dictionary. I told you, right? In that way only you should find. See A, B, then C. Yes, because this is C only, right? So you should search from C only. See here it is cunning. What is cunning? Clever of tricking people. Okay, this is the meaning. Write down here. Then next rotten, R. You should find from R. Where is R? Turn the next page. R. See here 46. Rotten, gone bad. What is rotten? gone bad. Write down here, gone bad. Then pretended, sorry children, pretended, see here only, 44. Pretended, behaved as if something was true, despite knowing it was not. Okay, this you have to write here. Then other also you should search, see children, here itself you should search and write. Everything I will not show. Okay, you should only do, because you are grown up. I already told you how to search in alphabetical order the words and meanings, right? In that way only you should choose and complete these meanings. Okay, yes, in page number 24 here you have to complete it. Okay, and send the pic for the correction and read the lesson also children. If you read the lesson, again it will sit in your mind, this story. Okay, you will never forget. Okay, yes, once I will complete this lesson, no, then I will send notes. Okay, yes, first we will complete third lesson notes, then we will go to the fourth lesson. Okay, yes, soon I will be sending the notes also. Okay, yes, then read this lesson and complete the meanings. This is your homework. Okay, yes, then we will end up the class. Yes, then we will meet you in the next class. Bye.